How to fix products not showing up in featured products section on Shopify. As you can see, I'm on my Shopify store. When it comes onto Shopify and the featured products section, they randomly choose the products that are displayed. But I'll be showing you how to ensure that the products that you want to be displayed on your featured products collection is added. All you'll need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and select products. Then you're going to tap on collections from the drop down menu option on the left hand corner. And you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and select add collection. After selecting add collection, you can give your collection a name. Then from there, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to select manual. After selecting manual, you can search for the products that you would like to add by tapping on browse. So let's say, for example, for this collection, I would like to add the first 3 products. So I'm going to be adding these products. Then we're going to tap on add. After you have selected add, you're just going to scroll down and you're going to tap on save. Once you have saved your collection, as you can see right there, if it is a case that you would like to rearrange how it looks, all you need to do is tap right where you see sort right here. And you're just going to select manual. After tapping on manual, let's say we would like this t-shirt to be displayed at the top. We're just going to drag and place it right there. So that's how you'll be able to rearrange your featured products section or collection better yet. Once you're finished, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select online store. After tapping on online store, you're going to tap on customize. Then from here, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and select featured collection. And you're going to tap right where you see products on my page. And you're going to select replace. And you're going to select the collection that we just created. And you can see it right there. You can also choose the amount of products that you would like to display by pulling along the slider. You can display up to 25 products. Once you're finished doing this, you're just going to tap on save in the top right hand corner to save the changes. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.